Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys, because you don't want to miss out on our next drop. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this amazing platform right here, and it is called 99designs. So what is the work of this website? So if you're a graphic designer and you want to earn online, then this is the perfect platform for you guys, because now this platform will connect you with someone that is interested in your craft so that you can help them grow their business. So now let's explore the website together. As you can see here, it says grow with great design. No matter what your business need, we can connect you with a creative expert to make your business look and feel professional, because good design make great business. So like I said, a lot of people will pay 99design for designs and anything guys, just to improve their quality of their business or to scale more, you understand? Just like a thumbnail guys, so thumbnail sells on YouTube, so other business also design sell before they taste whatever you have going on guys. So that is how it's work. So now let's go down. As you can see here, yes, it's design for what you need. You see here, logo and branding design. So if you are good with logo and branding design, you can just create an account as someone that can do logo and branding design. You can see here, website and app design. If you are good in this niche, see business and advertising, art and illustration, packaging and label. So there are tons of ways you can make money on 99designs. As you can see here, view all categories. So you are not limited to these 5 categories guys, there are a lot of categories you can also check out. So now let's check them out. So now as you can see here, says what do you need to design? You see logo, website and app design, business and advertising, clothing and merchandise, art and illustration, packaging and label, book and magazine. And you can see these are their price guys. So this amount is for people that are going to bring their work to the website. So you don't have to pay these people guys. In fact, you don't even have to pay any amount to access this website, because you are not creating an account as a buyer, you are creating an account as a seller. So that is how it works. So you see all these $2.99, $4.29, $5.99, $6.99. So these are for people that want to pay for branding designs for their businesses guys. So that's how it works. So now let's go to this section right here. Let's go to how it works. So as you can see here, yes, is we make great design work happens with our global community of professional designers. So if you would like to speak to a human, talk to one of our design experts. So literally guys, so some clients can decide to talk to you, like for them to explain better in videos, like what they want their designs to look like. So as you can see here, they also offer like a one-to-one speaking guys. So that is how it works guys. So you can literally talk to your client to have a better understanding about the design they want. So you won't have to design different quality guys. So you can actually, when you have the exactly what the business owner want guys, you can just go to your laptop and start designing. So in like 2 days, 3 days, or no matter how many days it took guys, you will be done with it. So that is how it works. And if you have any more question guys, you see this their outline guys, so you can call this their hotline to ask about like how you can create an account or anything like that. Actually it is very easy to create an account. So let's go here guys. So if you go down here, let's go see who is calling. So if you go down here, you can see here is contact. So you can contact and talk to their team. So it is this their team that will review your work and help before you can be accepted guys. So that is just how it works. So that'll be all for our video guys. So thank you for watching. I'm really glad you tuned into this video, and see you next time. Bye for now.